Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. Today we'll be solving the ISI Mmath question paper of year 2016. Today we'll be solving question number 6. In question number 6, it has been said that we need to find the centroid of the triangle whose sides are given by the following equations. 4x minus y is equal to 19, x minus y is equal to 4, and x plus twice y is equal to minus of 11. The options that are given are 11 by 3, minus 7 by 3, 5 by 3, minus 7 by 3, minus 11 by 3, minus 7 by 3, and 7 by 3, minus 11 by 3. So what we'll do over here is that we'll try to solve these equations and find the points and try to find the vertices of the triangle. And upon finding the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle, we'll use the common formula to find out the center of the triangle using the vertices of the triangle. So what we'll do over here, we'll first write down the equations of the sides, which is given by 4x minus y is equal to 19, and x minus y is equal to 4, and x plus twice y is equal to minus of 11. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, and this is equation 3. So now we'll start to solve this problem. What we'll do over here is that we'll do 1 minus equation 2, and this will give rise to 3x is equal to 15. This implies that x is equal to 5, and then 2 will imply that 5 minus y is equal to 4 implies that y is equal to 1. So 5, 1 is out of the sides 1 and 2. So we are getting the first coordinate. Now we'll try to find out the next coordinate. To find out the next coordinate, what we'll do, we'll multiply the equation 2 by 2 and add it to the third side. This will imply that twice x minus twice y will give us 8, and x plus twice y is equal to minus of 11, and upon addition thrice of x will be equal to minus of 3. This will imply that x is equal to minus of 1. Now using equation 2, we can write that minus 1 minus y is equal to 4. This implies that y is equal to minus of 5. So minus 1 minus 5 so minus 1 minus 5 is out of side 2 and side 3. Okay. This is the second point. Now we have to solve equation 1 and equation 2. So what we'll do, we'll multiply the equation 1 by 2, and we'll add it to the third side. So this will give us 8 of x minus 2 of y will give us 38, and x plus twice y will give us minus of 11. So upon addition, this will give us 9 of x will be equal to 27. So this will give us that x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. So from equation 1, so 1 implies that 12 minus y is equal to 19, and this implies that y is equal to minus of 7. So the third point is 3, minus 7 is out of line 1 and line 3. So the coordinates that we have got, let me use a separate page. Let me insert a new page over here to solve this problem. Okay, down, insert page. Let me change the background. Okay, so the points that we have got over here, the vertices are 5, 1, -1, -5 and 3, -7. Therefore, centroid will be given by 5 minus 1 plus 3, that is we add the x coordinates of the 3 vertices and divide it by 3. Similarly, we'll add the y coordinates 1, -5 and -7 and divide it by 3. So this comes down to 5 plus 1 is 8, 8 minus 7 by 3 upon 1 minus 12, that is minus 11 by 3. And this is the option 7 by 3 and minus 11 by 3 is the option D. So today we have solved the question number 6 from the ISI MSQ question paper of year 2016. ISI Mmath question paper of year 2016. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.